Do you have that friend or family member or a coworker or even the boss that when you do not respond to their message right away, they immediately get upset? So now, being you, a people pleaser, immediately go and respond, no matter what time is it, no matter what day that is. Well, you know what? That's bad, because you should not be available 24/7. Yes, if you have an aging parent that you really need to keep an eye on them, that's a different story. But those people that I just mentioned, you should be having time boundaries with them. And I'm talking about other boundaries, like respect boundaries and other emotional boundaries that you need to have in any relationship. And I am talking about how to have those boundaries and why you may have a problem of setting those boundaries. Go check out my video where I posted the link, or go to my YouTube channel, Be Amazing You, and check those